What's up, YouTubers and oil change and fluid changers or exchangers out there? So for all the years I've been doing oil changes, we do more now than ever, which I really can't stand. But anyway, this is the splash pad, and let me tell you, if you're tired of getting oil splashed all over you, all over the floor, everywhere, have your service manager or the owner buy a splash pad for your oil drain buckets. Let me tell you, you will never be more happier to change oil once you have one of these bad boys in the top of your oil drain bucket. It is like a breath of fresh air, to be honest with you. I, for one, hate oil changes. For two, it makes a giant mess, and it's not a fun job to do. Even if you're a do-it-yourselfer, invest in getting one for your oil drain bucket. You can trim them down, you can buy them big. This was a big square, and I just cut it down. You can get them for all your oil drain buckets and not make a mess anymore. Oh, so much fun.